Hello everyone, my name is Stanley, and in this video I'm going to showcase our team's project, which is Engramind. Engramind is about turning your life's memories into digital treasures that live forever on the blockchain. Users can also create sales scenarios, AI personalities where users can practice their sales skills, their budgeting skills, etc. And our project has already been integrated with the Solana technology and the Solana smart contracts as well. Okay, so now I'll just click the select wallet and it will prompt me to several wallets. I'll just click on Phantom. Okay, so I'm already connected, and as you can see up here, there is the roleplay scenarios, there's the persona, there's the rubrics, glossary, and file management. And I will just go with the roleplay scenarios first. So in roleplay scenario, there are two types that we can create. So there's the quick creation and the advanced creation. So I'll just go through with the quick creation first. So with the quick create scenario, it's quite simple of what you need to provide. So you need to provide the scenario title. You need to provide what your role is in the scenario, what the AI's role in the scenario, and what the scenario is about. So you need to put in as good of a description as you can. And in this demo, I'll just go to scenario preset and just go with the options here that it will just preview it for us. So I'll go with the enterprise deal negotiation, and so my role in this conversation will be senior sales manager. The AI's role will be a procurement director, and the description would be it's going to be about sales, and the scenario will be about negotiating a high value contract with specific terms. Create a detailed roleplay scenario for a enterprise deal negotiation situation between a senior sales manager and a procurement director. You can also add a source file which that can support that the AI can use as a supporting document, but I'll just leave it empty for this demo. And so I'll just click on create scenario, and we'll be prompted the Phantom wallet. Okay, so it's the process will be about 1 to 2 minutes, and I can just close this. Okay, so that's about the quick creation, and now we'll go to advanced creation. So in the advanced scenario, you need to provide scenario title and scenario description as like the previous one, except that you don't need to provide your role or the AI's role. You will need to provide a persona, a rubric, and a glossary. And roleplay created successfully. We can go back later to view it. But yeah, so for the advanced scenario, you also need to select persona, rubric, and glossary. Glossary is optional and also an optional source file. So what is a persona? So as we can see here, there are several personas that I've already created. This is it's a persona that can really help us with the enhancing our conversation with the AI, just for the AI to understand what the context of the conversation and what we want to achieve in that conversation. And as you can see, this is the content of that persona. And now moving on to rubric, let's say enterprise deal negotiation. And if we go here, it's an assessment. So rubric is like an assessment. So let's say we want to have a conversation with AI about sales, about negotiation, about deal negotiation. This is the assessment level. So the AI can assess whether we are the level our performance in the conversation, whether it's poor, good, excellent, fair, no attempt. It can be assessed with by the AI using rubrics. And glossary is just an additional it's just a supporting document for the AI. So it's just Harry Potter. It's just a supporting document for the AI. Okay, so let's have a title of enterprise deal negotiation. advanced, and the scenario, make a scenario based on the persona and rubric provided. Okay, will be prompted at the phantom wallet. Yeah, and it will also take about 1 to 2 minutes to create. So you can just close this and go back. And this is the enterprise deal negotiation that we just created previously. Okay, so while we're waiting for the advanced creation, I'll just go to persona first to understand how to create this. To create this is actually very simple, right? Like if we go here and we look at the content, there's a lot of it, right? But okay, roleplay created successfully, the one that we just created. Okay, so persona is you know, we see that the content is quite a lot here. Like there's the background, skills and abilities, motivations, personality profile, but creating it is very simple. We just click on new persona and we just have to provide the name and the persona prompt and some files for the supporting document. So let's say I want to add Tom Holland, for example. Make a personalized description of Tom Holland. Okay, so I'll just click on create persona and it will prompt me to this phantom wallet. Yeah, and this will take about 30 seconds to 1 minute, I think, and we can just close this. And oh, it's actually quite quicker now. Yeah, so we just so that's the persona that we just created, Tom Holland. The background is Tom Holland is a British actor who rose to international fame, blah blah blah. And this is his personality traits, motivations and goals. As you can see here, it's very easy, very simple to create a persona. And yeah, so we can see here, and it's the same with the rubrics. So let's say we want to create a new rubric, acting rubric, for example. Acting, make a rubric for acting performance, right? So let's just save, create rubrics. It will be prompted to Solana wallet, and we just wait. It should be quite quick. So I've actually created other rubrics like this. But yeah, I think we can just, okay, so rubrics created successfully. Rubric name is acting, authenticity and believability of the character portrayal. So it's just an example. There's the physicality and movement, emotional expression. So yeah, this is the assessment rubrics for the AI to assess our performance pretty much in the conversation. Okay, so we can just go to glossary and create new glossary. It's the same thing with rubric and persona. Creating this is very simple. Let's say sales glossary. I want to close at least $10,000 this month, for example. Just create and confirm, and yeah, will be created. Yeah, so it's really that simple to create persona, rubrics, and glossary, and file management as well, and the files as well. It's very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the advanced one, and this is the quick creation one. And okay, so we've created this scenario, right? Then I'll just go with this one, enterprise deal negotiation. Oh, and he's a celebrated actor. So okay, let's have a conversation with this one. It's a celebrated actor. Hello, can you help me with anything? The industry is a piece gate. You have to. Yeah, so actually this is for, as you can see, it's actually for the films. So I think this conversation is uh, more much better for films. But yeah, I don't really know what to ask about films. But yeah, you get the point. So the AI can actually have conversation in their specific domain. So if I so this one, I have the persona of Julian Fence, which is an actor, right? So if I ask him about closing sales, is like not exactly my area of expertise. You know, he said spends most of his life in film. So you know, okay, let's try. Give me the best acting advice. Now we're talking my language. To be honest, yeah, exactly. So this is the kind of project that we're building. So we can create AI personality, AI personas, and uh, people can also uh, create their own AI personas through this AI personalities. So yeah, that's it for this demo. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was it. I hope you had some insights, and thank you.